Well, hey everyone, it's great to see you all again. The sun is starting to shine here in Seattle. It doesn't shine very often during the winter months, so most of us who are into motorcycling in this part of the world spend our winters bolting stuff onto our motorcycles. And case in point, the beautiful Aprilia Tuareg 660, which I did a test ride on with my friend Tyson a few months ago. So what have I been doing to it since then? Let's talk about it. So it's no secret that I love Italian motorcycles. Frankly, I love European motorcycles. But when it comes to accessories and bolting stuff on, you really can't go past those Germans. They just do a great job. Their motorcycles are pretty good as well. The first company that I bolted something on from today was these Hepco Becker tank guards. Really well made, engineered perfectly, very easy to install, just really well machined, really good kit. And my other favorite German company is swmotech. They really think hard about their products, and this is not a paid commercial. I'm just a small guy with not many followers, so trust me, this is my opinion. The thing I love about swmotech is the modular nature of their products. They build bags, tank bags, panniers, racks, and what I'm going to show you in a moment is just how flexible they are because they're modular. Now these bags are their medium size. They call their system bags, soft bags with hard backings on them, designed for, trails, city, fully waterproof, really easy to install, just fit perfectly. In my experience, sometimes when you're installing these things, there's always something that's just not quite right and you have to kind of squeeze it in there, or there's a bolt that doesn't turn up, or there's something like that. Never had that problem with swmotech, really great. Now, of course, it wouldn't be an Italian motorcycle if I didn't bolt a few Italian things on as well. So I'm going to draw your attention to this sucker right here. This is a G-Course engine guard, and it's rock solid, as you can tell. I'm sure it's going to be fine for the potholes and curbs around the city, and even better off-road. Really strong, really well made. I'll put all the links to this stuff in the description below later. Behold, the mighty Ducati Multistrada V2. In my opinion, this is the Goldilocks of the Multistrada range. I've owned every Multistrada pretty much since 2005. I've owned the 1200s, the 1260s, the 950s. I even had one of the original Multistradas that first came out in the DS line. This is quintessential Ducati. And what you'll notice here is this street rack that I have. Now this street rack is an swmotech rack, and it's a hard case. It's just the right size for around town. And under here, there's a lever. I just pull this lever, the bag just comes straight off. And what's remaining here is this street rack. Now, the thing about the swmotech street racks is they all have the same cutouts here. And the swmotech products are modular. Here you'll see the same street rack, but designed for the Tuareg, and the same modular cutout right here. So what that means is I can move my urban top case from my Multistrada to my Tuareg really easily with no problem at all. In fact, I can just do it with one hand. So the great thing about this system is that I can take this bag that I just showed you on the Multistrada, and quite simply I can put it straight on my Tuareg. Like this, no problem. And as you can see, just bolt straight on really easily. So it's a very modular system. So what about these bags right here? Well, these bags also come on and off really easily, and we're going to talk about that soon. So what else is going on in the garage? I showed you what I've been doing to my adventure bike. Well, I also have a few other bikes, as you guys all know. Over here, this is my beautiful Panigale V2 track bike. The track bike has been in hibernation for a while, so but this bike is was built last year. fully track ready. What I've found now that I'm transitioning from my Aprilia RS660 to a bigger bike is that I'm glad I really took the time to learn the track on a smaller bike like the 660, which you can see over there to its right. I'm still going to ride the hell out of a 660. It's great, especially on smaller, tighter tracks. And as I get better, I find it to be even just as good on the large tracks too. I'll take the covers off here. So here's the RS660. It's seen some great miles. It's been involved in one crash at Laguna Seca, which is on my YouTube channel. And that was an unfortunate one. But she's ready to go, and they're all plugged into battery tenders, which is also a good idea to do if you haven't done that. Saves you a lot of pain. Here I have my standard Optimate 3, which is for standard batteries. And then I have one here for my lithium-ion batteries. So both my Ducati and my Aprilia are running on the lithium-ion batteries. So yeah, so that's what's been going on. And I hope you enjoyed this video. The other thing I'd say is thank you. I never really intended to be an influencer or whatever they call it these days. The reason I had this channel is just to share my love of motorcycles. And I found that over the years, I've always had people coming to me asking for advice on this or that, whether that be riding or accessorizing or choosing motorcycles. And I figured, well, why not just start this channel? So I'm actually at 1,000 subscribers now, so thank you very much. If there's content that you really like that you don't see here, hit me up, let me know. I'm open to all sorts of questions and looking forward to spending more time with you all. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.